international paper development workshop, idea and paper development workshop, where we have potential authors, scholars and students from all over Egypt and the region to come present their works in a friendly environment where they can network together and meet the editorial board of Management and Sustainability and Arab Review.
بيبر ديفلوبمنت ورك شوب دي اول ورك شوب نعملها في الجورنال. طبعا الجورنال لها هيستوري مرتبط بالجي سي، لان الجورنال طلعت من جي سي. هدفها اساسا هو من اسمها المؤلفين او الاوثرز اللي هم عندهم ريسيرش ايدياز شغالين عليها، ان احنا ندي بعض الكونستراكتيف فيدباك بحيث نساعدهم ان هم يقدروا ينشروها سواء في الجورنال عندنا او في جورنالز ثانيه في المستقبل. Honestly البرزنتيشن رائعه، بتعكس يعني مستوى الطلبه هنا ممتاز جدا، وفي نفس الوقت بتعكس السوبرفيجن، الكواليتي اوف سوبرفيجن الموجود في الجامعه.
Presentations have been great. We've had our first session, a lot of insightful conversations, a lot of interesting research. Our idea was to come to Egypt and do an event in which we allow junior scholars to come and share their research ideas. So it's a paper development workshop, and hopefully they can not only get a chance to network with other scholars from different parts of the world, Egypt and outside, but also have the opportunity to get feedback to help them develop their research and move it to the next level and publish it. I'm really very impressed with the quality of work that we're seeing, and also the energy that the scholars have in the room. So we're very, very excited to keep going.